Okay, so I'm creating a video for my YouTube channel, just showing how to create images using DALL3, and I've created the first video, and now I'm going to add some details, which is the title and the description. I'm going to use ChatGPT to do that. I'm using ChatGPT 4, but you can use ChatGPT 5. Make sure when you click on there that you've got the default selected. And basically what I'm going to say in here is I'm going to say rewrite this transcript for a YouTube description, and then I'm going to go to my Loom video, and I'm just going to copy the transcript which I've done, and I'm just going to paste it in there. So that's just the Loom video transcript. Just copying it in there, I'm just pasting it in. And let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so it's coming back with the timestamps, which is awesome, and the video description. Today's video will be tackling image creation for our course, the 5 steps to music release success. Walk you through how we use ClickFunnels to set up an opt-in page featuring our course offer, which includes a jam-packed ebook and a video course, among other bonuses. Also show you how to leverage ChatGPT's DALL3 version to craft visually appealing images for your course. From initial creation to final upload in ClickFunnels, you'll get to see the entire process. If you're interested in optimizing your course to images and enhancing your SEO, this video is a must go watch. So amazing. So it actually optimized it for marketing as well. That's really great. So actually I'm just going to copy that. And I'm going to take this and go to the description. I'm going to pop it in there. And then I'm also going to type in here, please write 5 YouTube video titles for my video. Okay. So it says create stunning course images with ChatGPT and optimize your music course, blah, blah, blah. Step by step, design eye-catching images for your music. How to use for course, how to use, so this is quite a good one. I'm just going to use that one. And I'm going to go back to YouTube, copy that in there. And then that's pretty much it. I think, how about we could actually use ChatGPT and DALL3 to come up with an image thumbnail. Let's see how this works. So let's go here, and this time I'm going to go up to ChatGPT. Okay, that's already selected, so I can't use that again. So I have to click on New Chat, and then I go to the top and I click ChatGPT 4 and I click DALL3. Now I know that DALL3 is collected, so that's the image creator. Then I'm going to say create a YouTube thumbnail for the following video. Copy that in, press enter, and here we go. DALL3 creating images. Okay, so it takes a couple of minutes, but it's come up with 4 images which look pretty cool. I'm just going to write in here, let's see, so use image 1 and make the text more prominent and visually appealing to capture people's attention. Let's see what it comes back with now. Okay, great. So look at this. It's created a really nice thumbnail. How to use ChatGPT's DALL3. Here's a revised thumbnail. I think it looks fantastic. So I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to click on download. Should have downloaded to my downloads folder. going to go to my downloads folder now. Let's see, there. I'm going to copy that image into my other folder, and then let's go back here to the YouTube, upload your thumbnail, one song away, that's the one. This one was date added, date modified, that's right, so this last one here says file is bigger than 2 megabytes. Okay, so let's fix that. Okay, so I've asked ChatGPT, DALLE3 to please make the image smaller so it's less than 2 megabytes in size. Let's see what it comes back with. Cool, it says here's the resized thumbnail for your video. The image is now smaller in dimensions, which should help reduce the file size. That's great. Okay, and so that image looks great as well. Okay, the other thing I just noticed that this is a spelling mistake, so I'm going to ask it, please rewrite the image with the correct spelling of DALLE3. Let's see what it comes back with now, even though my spelling is not good. Okay, great. So it's come back with the same image now. It's changed the word DALLE3 to DALLE3, which is closer to the way it should be. It's actually DALL.E-3. So I'm going to do that again. Okay, so I've just asked it to please correct DALLE3 to DALL.E3. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, it hasn't quite worked, so I'm going to try that one again. I'm just going to make it slightly simpler, just so maybe it works better. Just like that. And maybe I'll just add the space in there. DALLE3. I don't know, just DALLE3. I'm going to leave it like that. I like what it's done, but now it's added a T in there, so I don't know how it got from that to that. So I'm going to rewrite it again and pop that in there, and I'm going to say DALLE3. Let's see if we add a space in there, maybe it'll help. Okay, finally we've come back with an image that's pretty good. The only thing is the ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT's blah blah blah, so that doesn't quite work, so we're going to change that now. Okay, so I asked it again, can you change the spelling from chatpits to chatpts? Actually, I've spelled it incorrectly, that's why it's spelled incorrectly. Let's try one more time. Actually, it did come quite accurate there, so I'm really happy with that. Except that I actually spelled it incorrectly, so I'm going to try that again. Okay, so I've sort of been playing around with this for a while now, and I've got close how to use ChatGPTs, but it's got UHC, HAT GPTs. For me, it's pretty much close enough. I'm not going to waste any more time on this. I'm just going to take this image and let's download it. Okay, and then I'm going to upload it as a thumbnail. So go downloads. Okay, so one thing about this thumbnail is it's square, so let's see if we can make it into 9:16. Okay, so actually what I don't need is 9:16, I actually need 16:9. It's funny that every time you recreate the image, you do get changes the spelling, which is quite interesting. So it recreates the whole image from the spelling, and I wonder if there's a prompt to say don't recreate the image, but for now I'm just going to go 16:9 and let's see what that does. Okay, great, so it's recreated the image and now it's changed the writing, so actually ChatGPT is spelled correctly, which is awesome, and it's in the right ratio. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it's the right size and I can still use it in my thumbnail. So let's change this thumbnail here, and let's upload the new thumbnail, which is this one here. Oh, it says file is bigger than 2 meg, so let's try resize that again. Okay, so it doesn't look like it can resize it. It just keeps on bringing back the same answer. So I'm just going to resize it using GIMP. GIMP is another image sort of editor I have on my computer, so I'm going to open it with GIMP and let's resize it with that. Here we go. We're just going to, let's go image, and that's scale image. Let's do that, and then we're going to take it down to 500, and then scale. That's better. And then we're going to go file, and we're going to save as. Okay, and then we're going to put it into downloads. It looks like that's fine, and save it. Actually, in GIMP, you have to, you can't save it because it'll save it as a GIMP image, which you can't use. So I'm going to have to export it, and let's see if it exported something I can use. Let's see, export PNG. So yeah, it's going to use it as a PNG, which is great. This is exactly what we need. Let's see. Whoa! Finally, we have our image. That's brilliant. Okay, so we're going to click on next, and then next, next. We can put it as public, and then we're going to publish it. And that's it, our finish. Our image video has been published. Now, all we need to do is take that video and go put it on our social media. So let's take it for Facebook. I'm just going to go to my home page, and I'm going to add it in here, add photos and videos. Actually, I just need to put in the video like that, the link. That should bring it in. Now also what I'm going to do, if I close that there and I go to the video, I'm just going to copy this description and use that for my description of the video. In today's we're tackling image DALLE3. Let's just make sure that DALLE3 version, and I think that should be good. Let's press post. Let's see if we could actually post the video, which would be great. Because that's not really good if it's not showing the video. Okay, and I've recopied it in there. It looks like it's brought in the image, although this is wrong here, so I need to edit that. Okay, so we've pasted it back into Facebook. Fortunately, it's still bringing up this this spelling mistake, which I have corrected on the actual the video title, but even though I've saved it, it doesn't seem to be coming through right now. I'm sure that will come through at a later stage. I'm going to now do the same thing and put this into a group that I have on Telegram, and so we can sort of further spread the news. And I'm going to put it in there. Okay, so that has brought up the summary, which is fantastic, and I'm going to send that through now. Great, I hope that's given you some information or helped you sort of understand how to use ChatGPT and DALLE3 a little bit easier, how to upload a video to YouTube, and yeah, make use of these amazing tools.